Good afternoon and welcome to Trade of the Day. Today's date is the 11th of February 2015. I'd like to start today's Trade of the Day off with the longer term trade, which is on New Zealand dollar. So as you can see here, this is the trading floor of which we publish all of our longer term analysis. You can see this is actually for yesterday because this is when we gave the trade out. You can see here, long New Zealand dollar at 73.80. It also has two other trades on here, which was a long Aussie, which was cancelled. Okay. Then we had the long Euro, which we're currently still in right now. Okay. But let's go to the New Zealand dollar trade and let's see how that did. Okay. So let's go to the charts. Okay. And on New Zealand dollar, you can see this was the entry right here, which was 73.80. Okay, you can see the market rose up very nicely here, sort of 60, 70 points. Obviously, with our philosophy here, when the trade goes up 50 pips, we moved our stop loss to break even and take 50% of the position out. That's in order to protect ourselves. You can see here today that the New Zealand dollar has come down today. It would have been stopped at break even, but that's not an issue for us, as we've lost no money on the trade. In fact, we've made money, taking the 50% of the position out there. Now, the following trades that I'm going to show you are shorter term trades, which are on the system, okay, which you can see has been working perfectly as the FX markets are range bound at the moment. Okay, so you can see here it's gone into cable here at 8 AM. Okay, obviously cable being bearish, so you're taking the sell zones only on cable, getting in at 52.76, easily making 20 points, getting out of 52.56 there. Okay, the next trade is the dollar Swiss trade. Okay, again at 8 AM. Okay, you can see here getting in a price of 92.78, getting out at 92.58, easily 20 pips there within the half hour. Okay, then next we've got pound yen. Okay, so pound yen at 8 AM again, so three trades all at the same time here. We've got pound yen came into the sell zone here at 182.88. Okay, getting out for 182.68 here. Okay, we actually had another sell zone here in pound yen, which is a little bit later on, which is about I believe it was around 10:30. Okay, getting in there at 83.37 and getting out at 83.17. Okay, then the next trade is the dollar yen trade. Dollar yen taking the sell zone here at 119.88, getting out at 119.68 here for another 20 pips. Okay, then we've got actually another New Zealand dollar trade, which is a long today, because obviously we've got a bearish trend set, a bullish trend set for the New Zealand dollar, which means we take buy zones only. Okay, you can see here if we got an sort of the worst price available, which is at the top of the buy zone of 73.87, easily making 20 points, 74.07 there. Okay. Then we had a euro sterling trade. Okay, euro sterling doing exceptionally well this week. We had a buy zone just here. Okay, getting in at 73.92, and you can see easily leaving the trade a little bit longer than usual, but making our 20 pips, getting out at 74.12. Okay, we did have one loser today on the intraday trades, which was euro sterling, this buy zone here. So I haven't overlooked this. We can count this as a loser because, as you can see, it only rose off a tiny bit before sort of coming back down and stopping us out. Okay, so that's 8 trades, beg my pardon. Okay, and 7 winners. Okay, that's an 87% accuracy rate on the system today. So a fantastic day for Platinum in the trading. Okay, so that's 120 pips on the intraday trades, plus the 50 pips for the New Zealand dollar trade, and obviously the other 50 pips for the euro trade that we're still in. Okay, so obviously moved our stop loss to break even, 50% of the position out. Okay, so that's 220 pips made in just a couple of days with Platinum. Okay, so what's that? A £10 a point? That's over £2,000, isn't it? Yeah. So a fantastic day for Platinum, and don't forget to sort of like and subscribe the video as well in order to get these daily updates and see how the system's performing and sort of how you're doing compared to us. Okay. Thank you.